name is Mandi. I'm a nurse here at L&P Aesthetics. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to care for your skin after microneedling. Right after microneedling, expect your skin to be very raw and a little bit bloody. It's normal to have some pinpoint bleeding after, but we'll make sure that's all controlled before you leave. Right after your microneedling, we don't want you to put anything on your face for about 4 to 6 hours. So no lotions, no creams, Aquaphor, Vaseline, nothing like that. After 4 to 6 hours, you can wash your face with a gentle face wash. I really like the Skin Better Oxygen Wash. You can use a CeraVe or Cetaphil as well. And then we'll have you use an HA. An HA is the holy grail of moisturizers. This is the one we'll give you a little sample of, but I really encourage you to continue to use this. Try to stay out of the sun. If you do need to go out, make sure you use a zinc or titanium based sunscreen. No makeup for the first 48 hours. We'll also give you this cute little kit. So if you have any areas that are really dry and itchy, there's a little Aquaphor in here. There's some good sunscreen samples as well. There's also some hydrocortisone if you get any areas of red and patchy. 48 hours post your microneedling, your skin should start to pinken up a little bit. Most of my patients will go out. You can exercise that day. You can go to the gym. You can go for a run. Make sure that if you're outside that you have a really good zinc titanium sunscreen on to protect yourself. You can wear makeup on that day as well. It's not uncommon to get a little dry and peely, so you'll want to make sure that you drink a lot of water, still use the HA and the moisturizer. Remember, no retinols, no vitamin C's, anything really reactive on your skin. By day 3 to 5 after microneedling, you should be back to normal. You can start to slowly resume your normal skincare routine. Some patients who are their first microneedling session, after 7 days, they're still a little bit dry. There's nothing to be concerned about. Just continue to moisturize and stay out of the sun.